Hi guys, Victor here, Automotive Art TV, another episode of 0 to 60 where we are going to be featuring our Surf City products, The Works. What's involved in The Works? I have everything that you need to detail and clean your vehicle all in one package. Value for money, I'm telling you, this is what you're looking for. What's on the inside, you ask? Sure, this is what's going on. Your wash and wax, just a little bit inside your bucket, get the water in, get those soaps up, and it washes the vehicle perfectly. What comes next? After you've dried the vehicle, your wax detailer. Spray a little bit here, a little bit there, get your microfiber cloth and rub that stuff in. Perfect showroom finish. After you finish that, clean your glass. Spray it on, microfiber cloth again, rub that in. You're going to see perfectly, especially driving at night. And you can't clean the outside and leave the inside. Interior detailer. This is what you need for your plastics, your vinyl, everywhere on the inside. A little bit by the doors, by your dashboard, your selector, your radio. This cleans everything on the inside perfectly. Value for money, guys. Everything you're looking for in one packaging. Come on down, Automotive Art. This is Victor, and I'm gone in 60.